So guys, this is Jewel. So this is another iconic stop in Singapore Airport. Oh, look at the architecture, man. Look at the waterfall. It's pretty dope, right? And you can also see so that's for the SkyTrain. So the SkyTrain actually goes to that way. So that will be a beautiful view actually. And the color changes here too, see? Guys, here's another close-up view of the Jewel. It's beautiful, right? It's more like a jungle here. It's pretty humid actually. So that's the SkyTrain behind. Guys, if you kind of want to move from one terminal to another, there's a bus here. So you can always take terminal 4 bus here. So you'll always be wondering like how do you get from one terminal to another, right? So this is how you can take a bus and then come to the other terminal. So yep. This is free of charge and it's there every 10 minutes. So it's hassle free. So guys, right now we are going to take the SkyTrain to Terminal 2. Right now I'm in Terminal 1. So this is like a free shuttle they're kind of providing. Guys, we are headed to Terminal 2 from Terminal 1. This is the SkyTrain that I've been mentioning earlier. So this is the inside of the airport. You basically can find all the stuff here. Like there was Adidas, Louis Vuitton, whatnot. We have it all. Oakland here. It's a pretty cool place, man. And you do have snooze areas here, which I was kind of looking for yesterday. And then there's bars. There's bars over there. Not sure, let's see what they have. They have Metapod where they sell a lot of electronic items. There's bars. Oh, they have Omega clock. Expected a Rolex, but yeah, it's not Dubai though. So they have some sort of decoration here. So that is Metapod where you can kind of get all the gadgets. So I got my Insta 360 from here. And then you have your iStudio, all your Apple stuff. And there is this currency exchange. Oh, they have Fila here. This is money exchange. Some sort of pharmacy. And for all the lounges, I think you gotta go up. So which I'll be going in sometime. But then I just wanna have a quick look at the the airport and then I'll come back. Yeah. So they have cool stuff up there. They have 7-Eleven and all that stuff. So this is again the liquor, wines. They have jewelry here. It's pretty cool, man. Like you mostly get all of this. And by the way, this is in Terminal 4. So I'll be moving from here to back to the country that I'm planning to go ahead. I don't want to put that right away in this vlog, but then yeah, this is how it currently looks at. And this isn't that fancy comparing to the other terminals 1, 2 and 3, but mostly this is how Most of the terminal looks, but the other one has Jewel, which is again the waterfall and all that. And then, oh, there you go, they have Texas chicken, which is great. And that's the lounge area, which I'll be going in a bit. So yeah, this is some sort. I see Boss is having a lot of promotional offers here. Okay, so I'm kind of going upstairs to see what we have up there. So mostly they have a 7-Eleven, yeah, obviously they should be having one. And that's the lounge like I showed you guys before. And there's a prayer room, storage room. You can also keep your bag here just in case if you want to roam around. So I'll just go, I'll show you another area. Okay, so this is Cathay Pacific. It's specific to the airline. I actually have been to the other terminals like Terminal 2 and also 1 and 3 as well. So they have much fancier setup than this. So this is more like, I'd say you know, like 360p or a 120p of whatever that is. It has a fancy, you know, or they have a fancy waterfall plus a gym, kids area, kids section, and also they have, you know, different movie theaters as well inside. So this is Terminal 4. So these are the things that you can see, all these things that I just showed you guys. So these are the two lounges. So we'll be going to A1 and then 7-Eleven is here. These are the stuff. Yeah, there you go. So I'm thinking to kind of wrap up because you guys saw whatever we have here. And that's the sleeping snooze area basically. So when you can see different flavors in Singapore, they have a truffle flavor at least. Oh, I've tried that and it's just amazing, guys. Fish skin. They have a donut. These are pretty cool. I like the, you know, the range of flavors they have for Lays, which is really amazing. Different varieties of Red Bulls they have. I got a Milo. How can I not get right after all coming here? See the varieties of flavors that they have. Even the FNN. Oh, they have a strawberry and cream flavor Pepsi. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you like the Singapore vlog, and make sure that you hit that subscribe button and leave a thumbs up, guys. We need to up our subscribers. So until we meet next time and to see the next adventure, like I said, go follow also my Instagram channel, and then stay tuned for my you know, weekly updates that you will see in the next country that I'm heading to. It's gonna be banger there, guys. So thank you so much once again, and see you all. Bye bye.